Ready.
Hi, so we're gonna use a towel to help balance. So the towel is wrapped around my friend here, Jillian, right? And we are gonna go do a little riding. So Jillian's just practicing with her pedals, and we're using a towel to help make sure she doesn't fall. And we're gonna help her pedal. She's doing all the work, and the towel is just helping her stay balanced. Yeah, now you start riding. You got it. I'm not even helping you. You're riding. And this is how the towel method helps. Keep your eyes forward. Okay, make sure to use your arms if you start to get off balance. Nice.
Yay, Jillian.
And yeah, Jillian, good job. And when you're ready to stop, use your brakes. Use your brakes, practice your brakes.
Squeeze.
Nice. Good job, Jillian.